Welcome to our demo on applying for an SSL certificate through the mSign portal. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the entire enrollment process step by step. First, visit our website, msign.com. On the homepage, click on the Buy SSL option from the menu. In this demo, we'll show you how to purchase a DV-SSL certificate, so select the DV-SSL certificate option to proceed. For this demo, we'll be purchasing a single domain SSL certificate, which is ideal for websites, blogs, and personal sites. To get started, click on the Buy Now button to proceed. Next, enter the required billing details. This includes your email ID, name, mobile number, along with your billing address and company name. Make sure all details are accurate before proceeding to the next step. Once you've filled in all the details, click on Proceed Now. A pop-up will appear displaying the product summary. Review the details carefully, then click on Proceed to Pay. Finally, complete the payment to proceed further. Once the payment is successfully completed, you'll receive an invoice copy along with an enrollment link to your email. Click on Proceed Now to move forward with the certificate enrollment process. Once you've completed this step, you'll see a confirmation that the subscriber agreement has been successfully completed. Now, click on the next option to proceed to the domain verification step. There are different DCV methods like constructed email, DNS text record, email to DNS CAA contact, email to DNS TXT contact, and HTTPS file-based. We will be demonstrating constructed email option for DCV. Pick an email address to verify domain ownership, then click on Send Email. This will trigger a domain validation email to the selected email ID. After receiving the domain validation email, click on the Verify Your Domain option. Enter the verification code you received in the email and click Submit to complete the verification process. The next step is the submission of the CSR, Certificate Signing Request. A certificate signing request, CSR, is a file containing encoded information about the entity requesting an SSL TLS certificate. It includes details like the organization's name, domain name, public key, and contact information. The CSR is submitted to a certificate authority, CA, to obtain a digital certificate. CSR can be generated on a server or device. Use server tools like OpenSSL, IIS, or your hosting provider's control panel. Save the generated CSR file locally. You'll receive an email with instructions to upload the CSR file. Click on the Add CSR option in the email to proceed. Make sure to have your CSR file ready. To add your CSR, you'll have two options. Either paste the CSR text or upload the CSR file. For this demonstration, we'll paste the CSR directly into the provided field. Once done, click Submit to complete the verification process. After submitting, click on Proceed for verification to move forward to the next step. Once the CSR is successfully submitted, your certificate will be ready for download. You'll receive an email with a link to download the certificate. Simply click on the Download Certificate option in the email to complete the process. And that's it. Your SSL certificate is now ready to use.